Hola! My hungry people, you are in for a treat today. As you will witness how I make my marvelous Mexican tomato rice. First, let's grease my casserole with my precious oil before I slide in my button mushrooms. Then, let them sizzle for a few long minutes before I incorporate my chopped up red onions. The long grain white rice is next to be mixed in as I continue to stir them evenly. Some red chili flakes should spice things up, while I crush up some black pepper granules. Adding a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and salt seasoning powder will surely add a hint of savory sweetness to my dish. Next in line is our tomato sauce puree, which will make the rice have that red tomato color effect. It always makes my muchacha very happy because the ingredients that I'm using are all her favorites. Then, of course, what's a tomato rice without real tomatoes in it? Stir them all in before we fill in the diced bell peppers. Now, transfer everything into my mixing bowl and cut up some fresh romaine lettuce. Mix them all together with the rice and prepare to serve our marvelous Mexican tomato rice. Everyone who watches this will like, share, and subscribe.